Episode 8 of Top 5 Finds! So for our top 5 finds guys, we have these 5 finds in our bulks. Okay, so these are very interesting cards. Hope you like this. And if you're new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe. And please like and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos guys. So for our first top 5 finds guys is the Metastatic Evangel. Okay. Correct? Metastatic Evangel. So this is a creature Phyrexian human cleric. So this one is a 2 mana, 1 colorless and 1 white. So it's very hard to pronounce the name. So whenever another non-token creature enters the battlefield under your control, you can proliferate. So proliferate guys is a skill wherein if the creature of the, for example, you enter another creature, right? And then that creature has a special ability, you can proliferate. For example, that creature has an ability to add +1/+1 counter to any other creature. You can proliferate meaning you can add another more counter on that creature. So you can, it's like you can double the ability or any ability of the non-token creature. So this is a very powerful ability, and it's very useful for your deck, especially when you have a lot of creatures in your field. So okay, so this one also has a 3 attack and 1 defense. So very nice card guys, but it's very hard to pronounce. So yeah, you need to have this if you're running white deck. It's the best white deck. And then next guys, I really like the artwork of this one. So this one is Essence Capture. Essence Capture guys is an instant card. So 2 blue mana only. So this one, counter target creature spell. So imagine guys, you can counter any target creature spell. For example, the opponent has a creature and that one has a spell that can affect your field. So you can counter that and then put a +1/+1 counter on top on up to 1 target creature you control. Wow, put a +1/+1 counter on up to 1 target creature you control. That one is a very OP card for 2 mana, and really like the artwork guys. It looks like damage but it's not. So really nice. And then our third card is Tornado. I really love this one. This one is a really nice removal card. So this one is only 3 mana guys, 2 colorless and then 1 green. So imagine in just 3 mana, okay, you can destroy target creature with flying. So imagine if you have a dragon opponent, so if you have an opponent in a dragon deck guys, so you can kill that dragon with a very high damage. So for just 3 mana. And also there's a cycling ability. So cycling ability, you just pay 2 mana, 1 colorless, 1 green. So after that, you can discard and then draw a card. So cycling is like you can discard this and then you can draw another card. Very nice card guys. Tornado, I love this one. So for our fourth card guys, this one was also enchantment. So for 4 mana guys, 3 colorless, 1 green is a Monstrous Vortex. I really love this because whenever you cast a creature spell with power 5 or greater, okay, so you can discover X, where X is that spell's mana value. Imagine, so discover X guys, meaning you can check on the library guys. So how many, for example, you cast a spell that has a 6 power or 7, and then that mana value guys is 6 also. So you can discover 6 card in your library. Very nice spell guys, or enchantment, Monstrous Vortex. I really love this. And for our last find guys is the Gleaming Geardrake. Okay, Geardrake. Okay, so the Gleaming Geardrake is a 2 mana only. Imagine guys, 2 mana, 1 blue, 1 red. This is an artifact creature Drake. So this one has a flying ability, and also when the Gleaming Geardrake enters the battlefield, you can investigate. So after that, whenever you sacrifice an artifact, put a +1/+1 counter on Gleaming Drake. So if for example you have a lot of artifact guys in your field, okay, so you can sacrifice those artifact and you can put +1/+1 counter on that gleaming drake. Very very nice card. This one is a promo pack, and yeah, very nice find. So all of these will be available in our Shopee shop. So if you're interested to buy in our Shopee shop, guys, just visit Daily Dose of Magic, and we'll be selling this in a very very low price. That's all, and see you again on our next video. Thank you so much, guys.